open this guy.
I'm just going to open that one. It's got in the bag at the top here. It looks like it's got another little silky bag
Got
that
a
you
little
can carry.
bag that you can carry them in.
Yeah, right there. And the good thing about that bag is you can see it's actually see-through. So while you have your jewelry in it, you'll be able to see what it is while it's protected. They are beautiful. When Amy brings it up really close to the camera, just look how beautiful they are. Very, very nice.
And these are the pierced earrings.
For pierced ears.
And it also comes with another couple of extra little backs in case you lose your back. And it also comes with the plastic backs, which are really great. Plastic backs are fantastic. I prefer them.
Mm-hmm. And they actually they have titanium needle. So the part titanium for sensitive ears.
Oh, nice.
18 karat rose gold or 18 karat gold plated or silver.
So there they are. I'm going to just stop the share so people can see.
They also have a number of other ones there. Different.
They have a bunch of different designs too.
Do.
They look real nice.
Oh, wow. Those the double daisy is a beautiful design. Look at the double daisy. That's very nice.
Ooh, I like that one.